One final walk around, one last inspection before a date with history.
The excitement level's pretty high. We're looking forward to the flight.
It is the first flight of the Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental, a new airplane with a familiar shape. Beautiful like the iconic 747, but larger, more fuel efficient, cleaner, quieter, still incredible. At the controls, Boeing test pilots Captain Mark Firestein and Captain Paul Stemmer, they taxi out to Payne Field in Everett, Washington. It's just before 10 a.m. on March 20th, 2011. It's time to fly.
Seeing it happen for the first time is something special.
It was kind of like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The rotation was beautiful. Very impressive to watch.
Soon we see the 747-8 Intercontinental where she belongs, high above the clouds, flexing her wing. Though it's the inaugural flight, she performs as though she's been flying for quite some time.
Doing not only the routine functional tests that we often do on a first flight, we also stepped out and did some very important stability and control conditions that we wouldn't ordinarily do. That's basically a testament to how prepared the airplane was.
Flying such a beautiful machine on a gorgeous day today, on such a perfect test mission, there's just nothing better than that.
After a 4.5-hour mission, the 747-8 Intercontinental descends towards Seattle, touching down gently at Boeing Field.
What I want to do is thank everyone who's had a hand in building and designing and getting this airplane ready for today. It really is a fabulous airplane.
A successful first flight that honors Boeing's past and launches toward the future.